Hi my lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have quite a number of products from this brand which I shared a quick haul in a short format video, and a couple of you guys wanted a full-blown review rather than a first impression. Earlier my plan was to do a first impression video, but you guys said you guys want a review. So I tested this product for good 3 weeks now. Here I am. I have all the products on my face and you're gonna see it side by side application as well. So this brand is something which has been floating around my Instagram as well as on YouTube, and I was so much intrigued because of the packaging. This is none other than Gigi Bear or Gege Bear. A couple of you guys pointed out that I'm not pronouncing it right. I'm really sorry, but still I don't know how it is pronounced. It's either Gege Bear or Gigi Bear. I actually liked it Gigi Bear. That's the reason I addressed it as JJ Bear, but I don't know how it's pronounced, so don't come at me and comment down in the comment section how it is pronounced if you guys know the correct pronunciation. मैंने add to cart करते करते बहुत सारे products खरीद लिए. मैंने जो haul में दिखाया था उसके अलावा भी मैंने एक और purchase करा था, and basically I have like makeup products in these two boxes. There are so many products to choose from. उनके पास बहुत सारे options है. Lip gloss, lip tints, lip glaze, lip oil, lipstick, lip balms, tinted lip balms, mascara, eyeliner. These products are उनके पास. Of course I didn't get the base products, the concealer and the foundation, because they didn't have the shade range, but उनके पास बहुत सारे varieties है, so you can just choose whatever you like. But here I am to just give you a glimpse of all the products that I have purchased, and मेरे पास काफ़ी items है, so I thought why not do a full face of makeup. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys find it helpful at the end of the video. If you guys like want any records, then probably you can pick from what I have like purchased. I think that's all you need to know for this video. So without further delay, let's quickly get into the video. So the first product that we're gonna talk about is lip balm, Gege Bear Fruit Extract Lip Balm, and I am in the shade 03, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. It is very beautiful, very nice packaging. The details, ingredient list is all in this carton, and they are also written in English, which is a good thing. And this is a grape variant. It does not have any color. It's an untinted lip balm, and it's a very moisturizing lip balm. It kind of gives you a little bit of glossy finish, and it's very lightweight. It has a very nice fruity fragrance which is not annoying. You need to twist this packaging to get the lip balm out, and here you have your lip balm. So guys are on the lookout for a lip mask, lip balm kind of a thing which repairs your lip as well. I really did use this as a lip sleeping mask at night, and it moisturized my lips, and in the morning as well I could feel my lips nourished and moisturized. It's affordable as well. So this lip balm, if I have to rate it, I'm gonna rate it 4.9 out of 5. I really like it. I really don't know why I cut even that 0.1. This gets a thumbs up from me. Let's talk about this blush. I don't have any other name, and most of the things are written in Korean. This is also in the shade 03. This seems to be a dupe of Milk Jelly Lip Balm. So Jelly Lip Balm काफ़ी viral चल रहा है, and many of the Indian brands also try to dupe it. I think Misho ने किया, Prosh Beauty ने किया, and the Prosh one is for like 700 rupees or so. But when I saw this like having the same kind of texture and same kind of packaging, I really picked this one up because this was for, again, very inexpensive. All of these products are under 400, kuch 299 ke liye, kuch 399 ke liye. I'm sure none of these products are over 400. Love the packaging. Again, like I'm gonna keep saying the same thing for every single product because the packaging is on point with this protective cap as well. और आप लोग देख सकते हो उसको मैंने काफ़ी यूज़ किया because I went for a trip recently, और उधर भी मैंने इसको ही कैरी किया था, so I really used it. This is how much the product is there. And this absolutely looks like a jelly. It's like squishy and everything. It's really pigmented, like you guys can say. It's stained by fingers, so it really stains very quickly, so I wouldn't suggest you use it over your powder. Use it on a bare face, or use it once you're done with your base product without setting your base. And I would suggest you blend it quickly with your fingers. It just blends it very easily, but do not dot it all over and then come over, take a brush. It's gonna set immediately. So ये बहुत जल्दी सेट हो जाता है, but it is long lasting because I traveled with it जहाँ पे मैंने बारिश में पूरा भीगी हूँ, फिर भी the blush was intact. It was quite long lasting, like for, I wouldn't say last the entire day, but it lasted for a decent amount of like 6+ hours. So it's stained, like bato bato mein it's stained and it's not budging. See how it looks on my face as well. This one looks very good on my lips as well. मैंने इसको lips में भी use किया and it stains very uniformly, I would say. Like most of these tints do not show up on my upper because I have a two toned lips, तो mostly ये uniform नहीं दिखता है. But this, when I layered it, it really did look quite put together. I wouldn't say it completely covered my pigmentation. Honestly, from these products, I do not expect it to cover fully as well, because then it defeats the purpose of being a tint. If I wanted a full blown pigmentation, I would rather go with a lipstick. So I really like when they were a little bit, but uniformly is what I am looking for when it comes to these kind of tints, because most of the tints do not show up on the upper lip. Lower lip पे अच्छा लगता है, but this one did show up equally on both my lips, and उसके ऊपर मैंने अगर gloss लगा लिया, I was good to go. सारे products use करके मैं बहुत सारे lip combos करने वाली हूँ, because with lip liner, without lip liner, with gloss, without lip gloss, बस जितने भी lip products हैं इनके मैं एक एक करके lip combo videos करने वाली हूँ. तो stay tuned and subscribe to my channel as well. So this is how the tint looks like, and it does not move whatsoever. So this lip and cheek tint also gets a thumbs up from me, and honestly, for the packaging and for everything, I'm gonna give a solid 5 on 5 because I really like it, and it's very inexpensive also, you guys. Then let's go and set my makeup. So this is what the compact looks like, and they did not have a lot of shades in it. I think they had only 3 shades or so मेरे को कोई भी tinted shade use करके कुछ मतलब नहीं था, because I was sure it's not gonna suit me. So I went with a rosy powder, and this, since rose and pink powders were in trend the last entire year, and Huda Beauty ने किया, Givenchy ने किया, then I think Pond's had a very affordable loose powder. That's the reason I basically picked this one up, and this is in the shade 01. The main reason why I picked this one up because was the packaging. The compact is really cute. You guys can see this is how it looks like, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. I have been using it since 3 weeks, and that's the reason the imprint is gone. If you see my unboxing shot, वहाँ पे ये बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहा था. It also comes with a full size mirror, which is like ideal for traveling. It does not give any tint whatsoever, and it sets my makeup. आज मैंने यही लगाया full all over my face, and I did not even set my makeup with a setting powder. Still, it has not become any oily. So it's gonna be great for an combination skin type, normal skin type. I think any skin type can use this powder. It is so finely milled that when I'm touching it, I actually feel like I'm touching a ghee or butter. It does not feel like I'm touching a powder. It is so finely milled. And it does not have any tint. You guys can see ये बहुत easily blend जाता है, and it looks like I've not applied any powder at all, like you guys can see. So it really does suit me. If you guys are of my skin tone or even deeper than me, I think you guys can totally make this powder work. Only thing is, I have to tell you, this does have a lot of kickback, but I really don't mind it. It just means that it's gonna be very easy to blend. So I really don't mind the kickback. Overall, this product absolutely gets a thumbs up, and I really rate it 5 on 5. I really like it. So yeah, and none of these products are sponsored, guys. This video is not sponsored. I don't think GG Pair does any sponsorship or marketing. I may be wrong, but this is not sponsored. I picked up all of them from my own money, and I have a receipt as well. I moved on to eyeliner. This is the GG Pair liquid pen eyeliner. The reason I picked up was because they had like 4 shades of brown. Usually ऐसा नहीं होता है. अगर if you're picking up an eyeliner or a kajal, it's only 1 brown, 1 black, 1 blue, yada yada. I don't think they are doing any colored liners, but yeah, they did have like 4 shades of brown, like dark brown, taupe brown. This one is in the shade Cold Tawny 03. I was a little bit confused because अगर taupe लेने जाऊंगी तो may look little ashy, and darkest brown is gonna look black. It's gonna just defeat the purpose. So that's the reason I picked this one up, and oh boy, I do not regret. And it's a very nice eyeliner. You guys can see the tip. It's a felt tip liner. Part is, if you see, the tip is so fine and thin. So it tapers down very thin and it's like extremely flexible. And you guys can draw a thin line if you want, you guys can draw a thick line if you want, and you guys can see it does not smudge as well. So you can draw very thin. It's very nice to make those cat eye in a corner mein banane ke liye and all. It's very nice, and that's what I have on my eyes, and you can see it looks very beautiful. The brown is still showing, it's not looking like a black, and that's what I really want. Both time na brown liners or brown mascaras end up looking black, which defeat the purpose anyways. It's not waterproof because I wore it in the rain, and usme by the time I came back home it was all completely gone. But I don't blame this one because even Maybelline ke waterproof mascaras do not stand that kind of heavy rain. If you're like completely continuously drenched in water, or if you're going for swimming or waterfall, वो निकल जाता है because the force of the water is so much that even waterproof mascaras goes out. मैंने उसको ऐसे ही काम के लिए wear किया था, तब तो it lasted me the entire day. So it's a very good decent brown eyeliner. I really like it, and I don't think I own a brown liner which is like this size in application. So I'm gonna give a 4.8 or a 5 because this product also gets a thumbs up. Okay, then moving on, I have this mascara. This one is it doesn't have any name. Everything in this is written in Korean or Chinese, Japanese, I don't know. But this one I picked up because of Arnakshi. She reviewed it on Instagram, and I literally got this because of the packaging. This is how the packaging looks like. Love the packaging. And this is how the wand looks like. Amongst everything that I've tried out from KKP, I would say this one is the least favorite of mine because usually mascaras I make it work. It's rarely ऐसा होता है कि mascaras मुझे काम नहीं कर रहे, but this one absolutely I'm not able to make it work. I would say it's very wet. The formula is extremely wet. So maybe I'll let it sit for like 2-3 months and then see if it solidifies a little bit. Probably it may perform better. I did not like the wand as well. It's very wet that you cannot wear it. I mean, once I wore it and 10 मिनट के बाद भी वो apparently dry नहीं हुआ, and यहाँ पे पूरा मेरा mascara transfer हो गया था, and I realized only after reaching to the hospital. And lower lashes के लिए तो बिल्कुल मत लगाना because यहाँ पे पूरा under eye आपका black हो जाएगा. I tried to layer it couple of times, like 2-3 times, giving it enough space. Like 10 मिनट के बाद मैंने वापस layer किया, वापस 10 मिनट के बाद layer किया, because it doesn't dry out, right? So you can keep layering, but you cannot get a maximum volume out of it. Length थोड़ा ठीक ठाक करता है. The only thing it does is it separates the lashes. And बहुत कम mascaras है जो इतना कम effect देता है मुझको. I have pretty curled lashes, and usually mascaras चल जाता है. I do not usually regret buying any mascaras, but this one unfortunately I think I regret. It's only okay to use it with another mascara like layering purpose. अगर आपने बहुत ही clumpy voluminous mascara use किया हो तो उसको separate करने के लिए probably you can go and use this. But it's not even waterproof. It completely gets off with the water, and it can get messy. So this mascara is a complete fail, and I would rate it 2/5. 2 भी मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ because of the packaging, but otherwise this is something that you guys can skip. And if you guys had an eye on it, I would suggest don't buy this. Then moving on to the lip products. Product that I'm going to talk about is this one. This is the JJ Bear Red Rabbit Velvet Mist Lip Cream. So this is a lip cream, and it also comes with this beautiful bell. It's a keychain or a back charm. You can like clip it on your bag. It's gonna look very beautiful. You get the lip cream aapko on the go, you can touch up, and it also has this cute little bell. So overall it's Pinteresty aesthetic. This is in the shade 05. One bummer that I did, I would say, was all the lip swatches on the Amazon was very confusing. So I ended up picking all the 3 which is of like similar shade range, which is a little like I'm little taken aback. I really wanted something like a pink toned or a nude, but nude तो मुझे दिखा ही नहीं है. Probably because they are like that. All of these, they have that Korean kind of a feel wherein जहाँ पे वो लोग center में लगा के हाथ से smudge कर लेते हैं. Everything looks like that. So probably maybe that's why they don't have a nude shade. But I hope you guys get what I'm saying. And amongst all the three, this is one of my favorite lip product from KK Pair. I really like the packaging, but the small wand I'm not really fan of because जब आप apply करते हो तो वो इधर लगने का chances होता है. So I really don't like that tiny small wand. But okay, I'm not gonna judge because of that. It has a very nice fruity fragrance. This is the shade. This can pass as a rusty nude shade. You guys can see how the shade looks like. This is a cream, lip cream, and all of these lip creams or lipsticks जो भी मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ are all very blurry. तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा दिखता है. And as you guys can see in the try on video, I have wore this in multiple ways. उसको हल्का सा मैंने बीच में लगा के फिंगर से मैंने ये करके I have just applied a lip gloss. It looks so beautiful. You can apply this as a full blown lipstick also. इसको आपको 2-3 बार लेयर किया ना तो पूरा पिगमेंटेशन कवर हो जाता है. एंड वीडियो में मैंने उसको सिर्फ हल्का सा लगाया है. And you guys can see how beautiful and gorgeous this lip shade looks like. So ये मेरा सबसे favorite है shade भी because this kind of can pass it as a nude. तो मैंने इसको work में भी use करना शुरू किया है. And this lasts good 6 hours if I'm not eating or anything. Even खाने के बाद भी थोड़ा बहुत रहता है and it's very easy to touch up. So I'm gonna give this a 4.8 out of 5. I know I'm rating all of these a really good rating, but yeah, I really liked them. That's the reason. And moving on to the next lipstick, this is also something I really like. This one is the lip glaze. That was lip cream. This is a lip glaze, and I really like the packaging as well. This is in the shade 04. This is how the packaging looks like. It's very pretty. This is how the wand looks like. Wand भी इसका लंबा है. Let's see how the shade looks on comparison. So this is how the lip glaze looks like. And you guys can see they all fall in the same category, but this one is slightly bolder as compared to this one. And the best part is all of these, they leave a very nice uniform tint. It does not become crusty, does not crumble, butthole वगैरह ऐसा कुछ नहीं करता. It's very blurry and they leave a very beautiful tint. So they are best for layering as well. तो usually मैं क्या करती हूँ, उसको लगा लेके 2-4 मिनट के बाद इसको हटा देती हूँ. फिर उसके ऊपर मैं इसके एक लिपस्टिक लगा देती हूँ जिससे लिप कॉम्बो बहुत ही ज़्यादा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग हो जाता है. Obviously because you have a lip tint underneath. So this is how the shade looks like. I really like this one as well. Like I cannot choose, but yeah, ये shade थोड़ा bold हो जाता है for my liking. So for that, I'm gonna rate it 4.5 by 5. It's my fault that I picked up this shade. Then again, we have another Gigabear Silk Matte Lip Glaze. This is how the packaging looks like, and I am in the shade 04. Love this packaging. This is also a blurry lip cream sort of a thing only. So this is how the shade looks like. So this one works a little bit as a lipstick. I found this to be very long lasting. You guys can see the difference amongst all the three like formulations. दोनों भी शेड ना बहुत ज़्यादा similar है, so that's a little bummer, but really I really like all the three. This is all about the lip product, and afterwards I really picked up this combination as well from Geeky. It was so inexpensive, you guys. This was about 299 rupees or something if I'm not wrong. और इसमें इतने सारे cute products हैं, and they had like very beautiful color options in this. So I picked up a hot pink color, like obviously. And I haven't actually seen क्या क्या है इसमें. आज मैंने यही puff use किया था. So they have, I think, two. So they have 4 powder puff, like pizza puff, and like I am sorted, and they're so inexpensive because Zudio में शायद ये दो मेरे को 50 या 70-75 रुपए का मिलता है और मुझे ये पूरा 299 में मिला है, which is obviously a great deal. So I have like 4 pizza puffs. They're very soft, nice, and everything. Then I have one clean sponge, like to clean your makeup and stuff. It looks a little stiff, but the sponge is really soft. I have not used this, so that's that. Then we have this cute two what do you call, the cuff or what, I don't know, जो ये अभी trending में चल रहा है, to do skincare or anything ताकि your water does not go in. So again, yeah, this is handy. So you guys will see, get unready with me वगैरह में आप ये मुझे use करते हुए देखोगे. Then we have 4 makeup sponge. Oh my god, I'm sorted, you guys. So they have like 4 makeup sponge all in pink color, same teardrop में. Again, looks very good, decent squishiness, and I'm sure wet करने के बाद बड़ा हो जाएगा. So that is that. Then I have 4 cute uh, teardrop blenders. Again, so cute. I think ये बड़ा हो जाएगा and it's gonna be very good for your under eye. It's very soft. So yeah, that's that. And finally, we have 4 under eye setting pizza puff. Yeah, it's tiny pizza puff, but it's gonna be for you. So we have 4 of them. I should have used this today. I don't know why I didn't use this. I think it's gonna be good. Yeah, it's very good for your under eye stuff. So that's all we have in this packet, and I'm like blown away, you guys. Kya hai ye? This is for 299. Yeah, if you guys want such thing, check this one out, and I'm gonna give this 515 already. I wanted to show you guys how this tint looks. So if you see this one, uh, yeah, this one, it does not leave that kind of a tint. You guys can see बहुत कम tint छोड़ता है, and if you see this one, it leaves a tint, और ये भी बहुत अच्छा tint देता है. The maximum tint is from this one, and then this one, and then finally this one. So this is how the tint looks like, and the tint does not transfer whatsoever. And by the way, the lipsticks also don't transfer. Like all the 3 lipsticks I've worn, once it's dry, it may take a while because these are lip creams. So lip creams do not have to be necessarily transfer proof. बट ये काफी टाइम के बाद, लाइक 1 घंटे के बाद तो मैंने सिप विप किया वाटर वाटर, तो ये इट वाज नॉट ट्रांसफरिंग. एंड एक बार टिंट छोड़ जाता है तो फिर तो ये ट्रांसफर होता ही नहीं. एंड बाय द वे, लेट मी रिमूव दिस लिपस्टिक एंड शो यू कितना ज्यादा इसका टिंट हुआ रहेगा. Like the more you let it sit, the harder and strong stain it's gonna leave. So you guys can see it tint itna zyada prominent hua hai. Just apply a gloss and you're gonna look so good. So all in all, Gege Bear absolutely gets a thumbs up from me. If you guys were like hesitant to try these products out, then do try it out. I really like it, and it's completely Rasika approved. As you guys can see, like most of these products I have used for past 3 weeks or so. तो इसमें से अगर कुछ products आपको अच्छा लगा तो comment करके बताना what products you would want to try, and also comment me if you have an eye on any other products which I have not tried. Kyuki, as I said, they have a lot of variety. So comment down those product also. If I like it, I probably will buy, because I'm really very intrigued, and the product quality is really good. And इनके shelf life almost 3 साल तक है, like 2027, कुछ products के 2028 तक है. So I think I can get a use of it because the quantity is also less. It's like 2.5 gram, 3 gram ऐसा quantity है, तो I'm sure I can use it. So you guys can see like blush भी मैंने काफी खत्म किया है, तो I would finish it, I know. So comment down that also, and I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.